We're small, but we're the best. With Jenny to supervise. You can't break us down. Sit back, we'll tell you why. We got Lily and Hannah, they get us hyped up every day. Erica P, Lindsay, Lauren to be fabulous. Ali, Robin, Joe, Shelton, new, but the family. Justin, Davey represent Amalis, the Israeli, and we're Mountain View girls, and you know we got it all. And you will be amazed how we rarely ever fall. And even so, we dust it off and keep walking strong, because we're MBG and we got it going on.